Why do kittens sneeze? Sneezing in cats can be a sign of numerous things. It could be as simple as dust tickling their cute little noses, or a reaction to strong smells. However, it could also indicate a more serious health issue, like an upper respiratory infection or dental disease. It's not just about being alert to the sneezes, though. Watch out for other signs such as a runny nose, watery eyes, or changes in appetite. If your kitty's sneezing is accompanied by these symptoms, it's time to book a visit to the vet. Remember, a sneeze here and there is normal, but frequent sneezing could be a cry for help. Keep your feline friends happy and healthy. Follow us for more kitty content.